Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to fix microphone or speaker not working on Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop I just want to connect my microphone or my speaker is not working properly. So what I have to do here? Simple and easiest way. So on your Windows button, just use right click, just go to device manager. Once you click a device manager will open like a pop-up. So here there will be a audio and input output will be there, so just hit the button here. There will be a microphone and speaker is there, so it is not there. For example, in your laptop it is not there in your microphone or speaker, it's showing some kind of a yellow errors, means just use right click on that update driver. Using update driver, just click a search automatically device, so audio input will be ready, as well as just open speaker and update the driver. Otherwise it is not working properly, just go to the properties. Once you go to properties, the property will be open here, so just check the device drive details, everything. You can update or disable and uninstall and reinstall this one. So there will be options over there, so to enable your speaker, for example my speaker is disabled or uninstalled, so I couldn't able to see the speaker options over here. So similarly my speaker is disabled over here, as you see here. Similarly you can able to see this kind of errors, means you can enable or you can able to get that options. What you have to do here, so like this kind of symbol will be there, as you see here I have disabled, so that icons will be there in the downside, so that my speaker might not work properly because my speaker is disabled. Just use right click on that and enable device, means automatically your speaker or mic will be enabled so that it will work properly. So use the step to clear your microphone and speaker working properly. If you're facing any other difficulties while you are enable your microphone and speaker problem, just make a comment in the comment box so that I will clear that doubt. If you like these tips, please share with your friends, subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.